This question seems simple, but most students make the mistake of multiplying first and simply giving the answer as 1 because they are always confused either multiplication comes first or division. When you follow the order of operation, PEMDAS or BODMAS, in the first case multiplication comes first and here division comes first. The point you must remember, you can use either of these methods because in both of them division and multiplication have same priority. And if both are given in the question like this one, solve the equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it first. So 88 division 11, 8. 8 into 8, 64.